You know, buying a home in today's market can be a tricky process. First of all, finding it, and then making sure it has everything that you need and maybe a little bit more. Hey everybody, I'm Andrew Fielding with RE/MAX Twin City and Fielding.com, and today I am at 678 George Street in Woodstock. Now, this semi-detached home has 3 bedrooms, a finished basement, nice backyard, parking, close to downtown, close to everything you're going to need. Let's go inside and take a look at 678 George Street in Woodstock. So there you have it, 678 George Street here in Woodstock. If you have any questions about this property, feel free to text or call me at 226-868-4402 or email andrew@fielding.com or contact your realtor today. Thanks for stopping by. I'm Andrew Fielding with RE/MAX Twin City and Fielding.com. Let's get moving.